The current industry trends that are, I don't really think forcing banks to innovate, but more encourage us to accelerate the innovation that we're part of, are really driven by the markets we want to be in, such as the digital space. They're encouraging us to accelerate from external entities, pressure on us from people who would look to disrupt our service, real attacks on us, are forcing us to look at how we can quickly put products in the market that, one, enable us to go into the digital market where we want to be, and really, secondly, prevent the hackers from having an easy time disrupting our service. And there's a huge focus from banks in looking at cybercrime and trying to prevent hackers from doing exactly what they set out to do, disrupting our service. So those two areas in particular are real drivers for an acceleration in innovation, so that we can stay on top of the game, stay ahead of the people who would disrupt our service, and also break into these new markets such as the digital space. Banks need to work with innovators and startups to help us accelerate getting products out into the market. It really is as simple as that. Most of the banks have development functions of their own. They have innovation centers of their own, tend to take a little bit longer to get products out into the market, tend to not have all the smart ideas. So in taking advantage of the smart ideas that people are creating all the time, it's really good to work with startups. We bring what is outside of our company inside our company from an ideas and thoughts perspective. So really valuable for us. I think the main challenges of working with startups, certainly from the bank's perspective, the startups don't always know the best way to interact with us and how to work their way through what can be some complicated and long-winded processes that we have within the major financial institutions and the banks in particular. You know, we have a very rigorous procurement process. We're looking to partner with major corporations who have a long history of success behind them. We're a little reluctant to partner with startups straight away. So that's a challenge. The program enables the startups to make some contacts at senior levels within the bank and really start that process, and enables the banks then to help educate the startups on how best to pitch their product, how best to work their way through the processes that they need to in order to partner with us, or we help them to find partnerships outside of our organizations that will better enable them in partnership to come at us with their products and be more successful. The role of the large incumbent technology providers is really all about partnership as well. The large incumbents, when they come and talk to the large banks, they want to, of course, increase their share with us. They want to sell us product. They want to come up with innovative ideas that meet our needs. Like us, they can't always develop them themselves, and the vendors are interested in creating new partnerships with startups, with other companies who provide a service that they don't have in their portfolio, and are very keen to go look for those partnerships. So I think the incumbent vendors have a duty also to work with the startups to make sure that if they need to bring a product and add it to their already extensive portfolio, they don't take a long time developing it themselves when that idea is already out there and developed by a startup. So the partnership is key for them too.